Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you how to turn off new friend notification on Facebook Messenger app. So that's quite simple and easy to do. So let me show you how to do that. So how to do that, just simply open up your Facebook Messenger app and then just click on these two lines on the top left to open up that pop-up. So here you get a gear in front of your username. Just simply tap on that gear and scroll a little bit, and here you get the option of notifications and sounds. Just tap on that option. Here you can see the option of new friend notification. Just let me highlight that option, that one. So in order to turn off new friend notifications and Messenger app, just toggle off that option. So like in this way you can turn off new friend notification on Facebook Messenger app. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about this tutorial, just leave me a comment below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.